Come. Yashas, congratulations.
Under age category 8 to 10 running event for girls, the bronze goes to Anushka. Silver goes to Anindita. And the gold goes to Sampada.
Annie, turn this side. Go. Sampada.
Sampada for gold.
No.
No. And for running under age category 8 to 10 boys, bronze goes to Yashish.
Come, Yashas. Once again.
Silver goes to Manu. And gold goes to Nandan.
Manu, once again. Where is Nandan?
Nandan.
8 to 10 years under 3-leg race. Three-leg race is quite tricky race one. The girls for who got the bronze is Anushka and Sampada.
Not here. नहीं both are. Okay. He's not there.
The silver goes to Shreya and Mishti.
Shreya, you come, beta. Shreya, you come. You take on behalf of Mishti also.
For Misty also you will take. Take. I'm putting it on you. You can give it to her.
And the gold goes to Divya and Aditi.
Come. Both
Guys, give them a big round of applause, please.
Turn, both of you. Divya, turn.
3-leg race for boys. Bronze goes to Siddhi and Aryan.
Aryan, Siddhi, come on.
There's a boy and the brother and sister combination. This one is.
Turn. Siddhi, turn.
And the second silver goes to Manu and Nandan.
Where is Nandan, huh?
Take on behalf of
You
Nandan.
take for Nandan also. Take,
And gold goes to Yashish and Sri Ram.
Manu.
Wait. Okay, go.
Go, Yashas. Both of you. After you take this one. Hey, wait.
And at the 8 to 10 age category for relay group, the bronze goes to Anindita, Kriti, Sriram and Yashish.
3 people, huh?
Yashas, come on. Hey, one more. Kiran, turn, all of you turn this side. Kiran, turn you. Hey, Yashas, come on.
4 is 4, huh?
Look here, smile. All of you. Smile, here. Beta.
They're all bronze, huh? One more.
All look here again. Smiles. Sriram, very serious.
Viram, smile.
And the silver goes to Shreya, Anushka, Mishti and Sampada.
Shreya is getting a lot of
And the gold goes to Divya, Aditi, Nandan and Manu.
Manu, come. Hey, on, after taking your turn.
3.
Manu, aja. Go, 3. You turn like this only, all of you.
And under age category 10 to 12, sack race girls, bronze goes to Kavya.
Kavya is not come. Kavya, aa
Is there no?
jao beta.
Kavya here. Come running.
And the bronze goes to Nidhi.
I'm running for the prize.
Hey, Kavya, here.
Bronze, huh?
No, this is bronze. Yeah. Next one is Nidhi for silver.
Hey, come.
Oh, this is
And the gold goes to Aditi.
Aditi, turn here bit afterwards.
For sack race boys, bronze goes to Aryan under age category 10 to 12.
Aryan, that is Partha's son.
no.
That Aryan.
Partha's son. He's not there.
And the silver goes to Ayush.
Ayush.
Is there Ayush here?
Ayush, come man.
And the gold goes to Vidhan.
Ayush, turn your face. Hey, Vidhan, थोड़ा हटो. इसका फोटो नहीं है. Good. Got it.
And under age category 10 to 12, running girls, bronze goes to Mrinalini.
Minalani.
Minnu, Subha's daughter, not there.
Not there.
And the silver goes to Ira Medavi.
Ira?
Ira
is there.
Where is Ira?
She's there.
Kavya. अच्छा ये आ गई.
Okay.
बेटा इस.
And the gold goes to Aditi Rao.
Hey, beta.
You're not taking the picture.
Picture.
आ जाओ. 1 minute.
Under age,
Vinay.
under age 10 to 12, running boys, bronze goes to Tanmay. And silver goes to Varun.
Tanmay is there.
नहीं है सर. वरुण come.
Gold goes to?
We'll call upon Kumar uncle to come forward, please, to join on the stage.
हाँ आधी रहा.
And uncle, I'll ask you to hand over the gold to Ashwin for this category before we.
Come Ashwin. Smile.
Thank you very much, uncle.
1 second.
I'm giving you come.
Adira gets a participation prize under the age category 3 to 5.
Okay. Shanti.
I will give to Shanti the name.
Yeah, Shanti deserves that.
Mama.
Thank you very much, uncle. Thanks for it. Thank you. And call upon Kumar uncle to come forward, please. Yes, you should, uncle. You should. 3-leg race under age category 10 to 12 for girls. The bronze goes to Nidhi and Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi.
She's there?
Nidhi है. Vaishnavi is there.
And 3-leg girls, 3-leg race under girls category.
Nidhi Vaishnavi.
The silver goes to Kavya and Mrinalini.
Kavya आ जाओ.
Hey, wait.
Sorry.
Nidhi Vaishnavi for which prize?
Nidhi है ना third prize.
That is Nidhi and... Okay, get the silver
Come
first.
Nidhi.
Yeah.
You wait for them first.
Go.
This is Nidhi and Vaishnavi for a 3-leg race, girls under 10 to 12 age category.
Vaishnavi, look here, beta. Vaishnavi, look here. Both of you.
And the silver goes to Kavya and Mrinalini.
Kavya and Minalani. Kavya?
Kavya बेटा आ जाओ.
Kavya? You can Minalani also.
You can get it for Mrinalini as well. You can give it to her.
Kavya, turn बेटा.
Turn the set. Turn.
And the 3-leg race, girls, gold goes to Aditi Rao and Aditi Rao.
This is the second one. Here, Aditi.
And the 3-leg race,
But take for her. You can take for her.
you can give it to her. And in the boys category, 3-leg race under age category 10 to 12, bronze goes to Tanmay and Archit. Thank you. That's it. And the silver goes to Abhisumant and Aryan. You can collect on behalf of them. And the gold goes to Vidhan and Varun.
Come, Viran. भाई रुको थोड़ा वरुण stop.
This is the most relevant event in this layout, slow cycle race. And the boys category for age group 10 to 12, the bronze goes to Aryan.
Aryan is there. Aryan is there or not?
And the silver goes to Archit. And the gold goes to Abhisumant.
Silver. Wait.
Come.
हाँ आ जाओ अभी just
Yeah.
here smile.
Under age category 10 to 12 relay group, bronze goes to Kavya, Mrinalini, Tanmay and Abhisumant.
अभी again.
Minno.
Where were you?
So it's Kavya, Mrinalini, Tanmay and Abhisumant for bronze. And the silver goes to Aditi, Aryan, Ira and Ayush.
Ayush, come.
The silver goes to Aditi, Aryan, Ayush and Ira.
Wow, your daughter. आ जाओ बेटा.
You can take the silver and give it to others. Yeah? And the gold goes to Millie, Sampada, Varun and Arun. Wait.
No, I have one too.